Summer hasn't officially started, but in the weather world, it begins on June 1st, and so this weather fairly appropriate. We're not at record levels by any means, and yesterday was our first official 90. Right now, it's really warm. When you're that warm and your moisture content increases, you just can't cool down very much overnight. It's 75 right now. The dew point that was at 61 this time yesterday is at 68. That's the biggest difference because this is almost the same thing we had yesterday on air temp, and there's your south to southwest wind close to 10 miles per hour. And radar pretty much clear. We've had some showers out here in north central Kansas, south central Nebraska, but that's about it. Certainly some cloudiness here kind of drifting on through, so it's mostly clear Topeka, Emporia, Kansas City east, and since that's the direction the sun's going to come up from, it should be pretty bright. But then we're partly cloudy areas west northwest, and so we'll see some of those clouds kind of filter on through, making it mostly sunny to partly cloudy. A little hit of fog maybe in isolated areas, but for the most part we don't have anything. And there's the southwest fetch coming on through at a good 10 to 15 miles per hour. So Monday was pretty windy. It was gusting to 30 or 35. Yesterday, really breezy. It was going at least to 25, almost 30 on occasion. But today it should stay less than 20 for a good part of the day. There's the 69, and that's the dew point in Kansas City. Marysville at 70. So you notice some areas pulling some surface moisture a bit more than others, but it's way up there. And the minute you start to work or recreate today, you'll break a sweat very quickly. So you want a bit of a breeze. You want to stay hydrated and find shade when you can. Now it does feel better in Goodland at 57. Casper's at 52. But for us, the southwesterly winds bringing everything up from Texas, and it actually starts kind of building on itself, and it's almost warmer from Tulsa and Wichita north than it is down toward Oklahoma City and the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So what we have going on, a little rain, lower Mississippi Valley area. You'll notice our big bubble kind of breaking down here. We've got this little troughiness kind of setting up here, and that may actually give us the risk of a shower or thunderstorm later today as some impulses kind of swing on through, and they'll start dropping into northeast Kansas. So we've got a chance of something late today in the overnight and early on Thursday, but today mainly dry, and there are those scattered thunderstorms that will build in the late day period. So after about 4 to 6 p.m., there's certainly a chance of something happening, and then it tries to get out of here pretty quickly, and then through the overnight into early Thursday morning, mainly out through the Flint Hills area and down to the southwest, there could be more, and then that too will clear out. So there's going to be two waves, one late today, one through the overnight. High of 92 to 93 degrees today, really muggy. And then overnight, 72, those scattered storms blowing through. Some could be strong or severe. Larger hailstones, the bigger threat on that. And then a 91 for Thursday. Sunshine, 95 on Friday. It's going to be a steamy, hot weekend. Make sure that you're around some water and let the kids play. And there's your relief. We get a thunderstorm chance with a cold front on Tuesday at 85. The day after that, a high of 82. That sounds a little bit better.